Alright, just for instance, you have a text and you want to place the text on a shape, like on a circle. I will show you how to do that. For example, this is the text that we have. Okay. Now, you want to place this your text around a shape, especially a circle shape, just like this. Okay, and the best way you can do it is come over to your text effects, the text over here. You can change it to uppercase or the case that you want. I'll be using uppercase, then bold. Then I want to separate them because I want this is a boy is good up and this girl is good on that. So I come over to my object and I break the text apart, just like this. So come over to your text. You see this word, fix text to part. That is what you use. So when you click, this is what will appear. Then also you come over to your text. Don't watch closely, you see what I'll do. Then fix this text to part. Then come over here and fix it like this. Now if you check very well, both text you can read this, but this guy is good, you can't. So what you do, come over to this partition over here, change the text mirror effect so that you can position it in a way you can read it just like this. You see it? Then there's a node, if you can check, there's a red node here. That's what you use to bring it out, just like this. Okay, so with that red node, that's what you use to adjust, rotate it, position it the way you want. If you check very well, this one has more space, while this one doesn't have more space. Okay, so you come over to your shape tool, click on the text and expand so that you can have more space because of you reversed it the other way. So now both of them are closer. So what you do, you can reduce the font size so that they can fit in very well. I'll be using 48. I'll be using, see, mind you, there's something I wanted to show you. Once you click on this, your shape is your shape that you click. But if you click on this text, you see it, I'm clicking on the text. That's where I can see my font sizes over here. So I put it at 48, but it's too small. So I want both of the text to be the same. So I'll just increase the way I want, then increase, you see it, increase the way I want it. Then there's a red node. You can use it to adjust like this. Now with this red node, you can use it to be spacing and out, but I want it to be like this. So just adjust to the way you want it perfectly good, or you can still reduce it, reduce this one over here. So this is how to apply text in a round shape, just like circle like this. Now if you want this circle on its own, you have to separate the text from the shape. So what you do, click your shape, come over to your object and say break object apart, just over here. You see now you have your shape on its own, so I have to reduce it. You see it, just like this. So this is how to run a text around a shape in case you have any text like this.